Desert form, native materials, natural light, and mountain views, these were the inspirations behind this home's design. Layered walls of rammed earth, metal, exposed concrete, and glass create a playful composition of organic shapes within the desert landscape, while also visually defining the different functions of the house. The Dancing Lighthouse is located in Paradise Valley, a city in the Phoenix metro area known for its luxury golf courses and spa resorts. The house has 5,600 square feet, all on one level. The rooms are arranged around a central open-air courtyard and open up to various outdoor areas, terraces, gardens, and a pool that cools the space and reflects sunlight onto the earthen and wooden walls. At times, that reflected light almost seems to dance across the surfaces. What stands out here is the massive roof canopy that seems to float above the house. It balances grandeur and intimacy, starting low in the interior spaces and rising dramatically toward the panoramic views of the Arizona mountains. The whole structure has a sculptural look, with forms that resemble tectonic plates, inspired by local geology and monsoon clouds. But it's not just about looks. The canopy provides shade from the harsh sun while creating shadows and letting in light in a carefully controlled way. Lighting and HVAC systems are hidden within the structure, so the focus stays on what really matters: the form, the materials, and the experience of being there. The open-plan kitchen, dining, and living areas are accessed through a hallway that starts at the main entrance and passes by a home office and laundry room. The rammed earth walls and cast-in-place concrete were left exposed, giving the interiors a rustic feel. Other materials like metal, glass, and steel bring in contrast with a subtle industrial touch. The bedrooms are located on the sides of the house. One wing includes 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The other houses the primary suite, which features a glass enclosed garden next to the bathroom. Natural light brings the house to life, slipping through narrow gaps between the tops of the walls and the roof planes, constantly changing the mood of the interiors. Sometimes, water-reflected light dances across the fractured surfaces of earth and wood. At other times, it creates a calm, almost zen-like atmosphere.